Welcome to InstaAI Studio Honest Review. In this review, I break down whether this AI-powered Instagram tool is truly a game changer or another overhyped AI. This InstaAI Studio claims this AI-powered Instagram automation powered by Manush AI agent owned by Meta. And this InstaAI Studio design everything from content creation to scaling up your Instagram account automatically. It's only for $17. If you are interested to build up your online business with Instagram marketing with this AI automation, then Instagram AI Studio is highly recommended. Now I will share top features, the working process, coupon, discount, bonuses, other upgrades, everything. After checking everything, if you think it's perfect for you and you are interested to start your automation Instagram marketing journey, then you can get access inside my video description only for $15 to $17. Okay, you see here, lets you create, edit, optimize and scale your entire Instagram content automatically from a single ultra powerful dashboard. You see, no manual editing, no content planning, no hashtag research and no trending hunting. And with this one simple dashboard, you can run 24/7 generating reels, post, captions, hashtag and viral ideas on demand. Now let's check top features, why people love this. You see, InstaAI Studio helps you to Insta Reels Maker. You see, Insta Reels Maker, AI script and caption generator, drag and drop visual editor, Instagram post creator, it may be feed or carousel, smart hashtag generator, trend finder, viral content spy tool included here, then thumbnail and cover creator, biolink and URL shortener system, multi-content generator, AI hook generator, content idea generator, done for you template library, on-click export and publishing ready, beginner friendly dashboard and commercial license included here. This is all the top features of this InstaAI Studio. Now let's check the working process, how actually it works. Step number 1, you have to find out your clients. On the other hand, you can use this InstaAI Studio for your own business. Okay, firstly, reach out to local business influencers or brands offer Instagram growth and content service, and you can get search $500 to $1,000 per month. Okay, step 2, activate InstaAI Studio. Log in and turn on your AI Instagram engine. No setup, no skill, no team needed. This one dashboard handles everything. And finally, step number 3, let AI do the work. InstaAI Studio now creates reel with captions, generate posts and hashtags, find viral trends, optimize content for growth, 24/7 automated, no manual effort needed. Now, if you ask me how you can make money with this InstaAI Studio, by 2 ways. Number 1, freelancing. You can work for other people, for your clients. On the other hand, you can work for your own marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you can build up your Instagram profile to build up your traffic for a long time business. You can find out a niche. Firstly, you can choose your niche as a weight loss, fitness, beauty. Okay, fine. Then build up your Instagram profile as like your niche. Okay. Then this InstaAI Studio helps you to create your content. It may be post, it may be reels, and you can find out viral content using this spy tool. And you can start your own marketing journey, own business with Instagram traffic. On the other hand, you can grow Instagram profile for your clients and get charged $500 to $1,000 per month. Now, by this ways, you can use this InstaAI Studio to build up your own online business. On the other hand, you can help others to build up their online business. This is all about InstaAI Studio. Now check other upgrades here. Firstly, you check here the front end and you see only for $17 and you can get access for $5 discount. Check video description to get coupon. Then upgrade on, you see premium edition. Upgrade 2, unlimited edition. Upgrade 3, music edition. Upgrade 4, done for you edition. Upgrade 5, visual edition. Upgrade 6, agency edition. Upgrade 7, reseller edition, and upgrade 8, white label edition. All the funnel breakdown of this InstaAI Studio. Now let's check bonuses. 5 exclusive bonuses available here. ODAI bonus number 1, ODAI bonus number 2, AI Fusion Body bonus number 3, AI Profit bonus number 4, Web AI, and bonus number 5, Gemio. Okay, all these 5 exclusive bonuses include this InstaAI Studio. You also can get bonus from my site that worth value $5,000. Check my video description. So guys, this is